Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App not receiving money problem or error. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for that problem, there are two things. Either you can start trying the normal troubleshooting like checking your connection, etc. Or you can just go to the support because sometimes it can be just a technical issue and you will only have the choice of waiting for an update or waiting for the support or technical support to start updating their app so they can solve this error. So for the normal or the regular troubleshooting or the basic troubleshooting that you will need to try first before going to the support is first checking your internet connection because it can be the problem for your transaction not being received successfully. And if you are sure that you have a reliable internet connection, you can then you just go to your App Store or Play Store so you can update the app because it might be a bug in the app as I said earlier. And basically, if your application is updated, you can try to verify your account balance, but that's just for troubleshooting in sending and not receiving money. And also, you will be needing to check or clear your data, I mean your cache from your phone. So you will need just to go to your application in your phone or in your settings and then clear its cache. And also you will need to make sure that you have a verify account because sometimes verification uh, can lead to such problems if the transaction seems suspicious or not trustworthy. And of course, you can just like respect the limits of your uh, Cash App, and basically that's it. If none of these work, all you need to do is just go to your Cash App support and ask if there is any technical issues so that you can wait for the next updates, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.